And we hooked up to a big tarpon right here. Look at this guy. Mommy just laughing. She's like, I'm teaching these guys how to fish. Yo, what up, Israel? Back out on the beach again. Me and Angel and his wife tonight. We out here. We out here. We at the pier. Where is it called?
Piñones. They call this Anding's place.
Anding's place. Yeah, we're out in Piñones, a little bit past the bridge. Anding's place. I shouldn't be shouting out the spot too much because, you know, this is the fisherman's secret little location. But yeah, we out here. I hear splashes out there. Oh, we know there's fish. We just need to find a way to catch them. I'm gonna throw my regular setup with sardines out there and leave it. But tonight I'm gonna be doing something different. I'm gonna be casting. I have no faith in casting, but I'm gonna try. I've only caught one fish casting, so where am I gonna throw this? I hear splashes right here though, not too far. That was a bit far. So I have 2 sardines wrapped up with a shrimp. Maybe I'll catch another damn puffer fish. We found a hole over here. There must be other holes here. There we go. Conveniently, a pole holder in the ground. I'm gonna give these cats a few of these sardines. I'm not bringing them back home. I know they smell them. Oh wow, it's 3 cats. You don't have to fight, it's 3 sardines, come on. Oh, the bad cat win. They're like, I'm not sure about this. Dumb cats. If it was in a can, you'd have ate it though. It's fish. Just eat it. You'll figure it out. Soltarlo viendo en la guagua.
Good. Es una moniama gigante.
What is that?
It's a sand perch.
It's a big sand perch. Buena, mami, buena. Buena, buena. Buena, buena. Mommy just caught a nice little sand perch. Yo, there's so many cats over here. Buena, buena. It's a... Oh, it's a... What you call it? What do you call these snappers? Is this a mangrove? The light makes it look kind of gray. In Jamaica they call this a silver snapper.
Un poco colorado. It's a grunt. El otro es un...
It's a grunt? Oh yeah, it's an orange. No, it's... Yeah, it's a grunt. It's a different type of grunt. It's not the orange one. Buena, papi. Good eating. Buena.
Which one did you get? Oh, this one's good. This one's very good.
Lord, please let these fish believe that this is looking like a fish. I'm gonna retrieve. Yeah, I'm gonna retrieve it slow at first. Okay. That's the thing with this reel, like one spin is like the whole thing reels in.
Back in the day, there used to be white lights under the bridge, so it didn't matter the conditions at night. The water was lighted, and the spoons were just.
Oh, you know what? I should try that. Try shining the light out there. What's that, a shrimp?
Loco. ¿No se cogieron con la tarraya?
Claro.
Little shrimp. That's
No,
good bait. If you know what's good? Chicken feed. If you throw chicken feed here, the shrimp love it. They come up.
A veces hay mucho, pero
Cogen un mazo de eso, una bolsa de malla así, y ponen avena con comida de gato en el agua.
Yeah, just crush it out in water.
Avena con comida de gato o comida de perro.
Probably hunting for shrimp.
I don't think so.
Oh, I don't think that's you. I think I got a fish on. I'm not sure. Something just pulled the line. Oh, shit. Took my bait.
I think that what yeah.
It took my braid. Oh no, it didn't. It took the bait. All right, so I'm gonna try it again. Maybe it's a puffer fish. I don't even know where I'm casting. I saw the first one, but the rest of them. In order for the fish to believe this is a fish, first I have to believe, right? Be one with the fish. No, be one with the spoon. That don't even sound right. I think I need more line on this. It's not going that far. Maybe this is not the smartest idea, using a spoon at night. That's it for reeling, for casting. My patience ran out and this reel is acting silly. I have to get all my reels fixed. I'm hooked up to a big tarpon right here. Look at this guy. We getting some action today, mommy whooping everybody's ass. Buena, mommy, buena.
Epa!
Wepa. Yeah, I forgot it. I'm like, what is it again? She still got it? Yeah.
Here I came, running towards my rod to cast with it.
I don't even know where it's at right now.
Las mujeres siempre dan pela a los hombres cuando están pescando
It's not jumping no more?
They jump once or twice.
Nah, they fight to the end most of the time. He's gonna jump again. It's not so big though. See, I told you. He's gonna fight as long as he can. Buena, mommy, buena. Mommy just laughing. She's like, I'm teaching these guys how to fish.
Nah, ese tamaño no. Se le da, va a ser para tomarse todo.
Puede estar en caldo.
Tell you, they fight to the end, bro.
Yes.
He's not gonna stop. Told you. He's trying to go backwards. I feel like grabbing him. It's gonna jump again.
Go in the gill.
Ah, f***ing hell, man. Ah, shit. Sorry, mommy. Fucking hell.
¿Partió en el fuerte o partió la línea?
Yeah, it broke on the line because I had the line in one hand. Fucking hell. Sorry, mommy.
No, como quiera yo no.
I know. But still.
Ahora váyanse a YouTube y busquen el canal de Fishing with Truth y dale.
Yo, back out here again.
Truth right there. Got him on the boat. Bringing in the motherfucking porgies. How you feel today? Relax. You know, I'm just getting a tan. I look a little darker. You know how it is. You know how it is.
But it's not to the sound of birds. The tyranny, the violent streets, the pride of all that we're blessed with. And we can't get enough. No. Heaven is just sending down. So we can build a playground for the sinners and play as saints. And be so proud of what we made.
Over here by this little spot over there. I'm coming back for you, big guy. Look at this guy. Look at him.